Skeletons living in my chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn a heart off.
Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. It's a new vlog. Yeah, it's a new vlog, and I don't know how I feel about it because every day I'll be working from 10 to practically 10 o'clock. 12 hours shit. Because even though them say 9 o'clock, you know, say you have to do breakdown and all these stuff. So that is that. Let me stop right here so because the lighting is better. So yesterday was crazy, but before I get into the video, please remember to like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to follow us on this H2B journey. You know, this is like a work vlog, my daily vlog, but you know, I am a H2B candidate and I'll be vlogging, so stay tuned. So as I was saying, yesterday was crazy. Yesterday was the first day we opened the pool, and there was 2 servers, 1 bartender and a runner, and it is not organized. I may understand that, I may get that, but what I never like is the fact that, you know, they're taking the two people them where come from the middle room. Like imagine now we are run from them and them a follow back away, and them a come with the same dirty behavior. They want to do the whole head count and all them stuff. Like, as a hostess, me used to hostess, we don't do them things here. We never used to do them things here. I mean, understand say yo, them they here and them set them rules, but when what is right is right. So today we're gonna try to be more structured because a lot of people come, they order food and then go in and to pay. So we have to avoid a lot of checks. Yeah. I made some money. I could have made more if I was working 2 places like Millroom and Birdwood. But here I guess I could have made more if the people that have been close on and check. So today I'm going to take a different approach where I'm going to ask them their membership number and everything so that I can auto gratification. If they don't pay, we have them name and file and I can search for them and charge it to them account. So that is what I'm going to do today. I started doing that in the evening, but you know, the first part people them get to it. Even though the friend cop, she actually did a good job yesterday. I'm assuming not calling about the name, but yeah, she did a good job. Yeah, so we just need to be tighten up a little bit. It have potential, and we just need to get like the tables, because even though we give the guests them the number, them might keep moving around the numbers them, and when the runner come to put on the food, we can't find them because they're gone with the number, and it was just so crazy. But you know, such is life. We live and we learn, and that was like a learning experience, and we're gonna make it better. Yes. So that's that. I am ready, and as usual, waiting on my roommate. She's putting on her face. It's not really the whole heap. She just had to do her eyebrow like how me always do mine. And the one thing me kind of regret is buying the shoes. Because we are in a restaurant and sometimes we have to serve juice and juice spill all over it, and this is cloth material, and if I didn't know, me buy the one where you can wipe off. But my roommate said we can use soda water and get out some of these, but if I saw this continue, I might as well buy next shoes because I don't like dirty shoes. I don't like dirty shoes, but yeah, so just stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. I don't know how to go because as I say, time change and it just seems longer and we not have the day off. So we basically have to come at night time and just put in the clip them and edit them as the day goes by because we not have the day off to focus on editing videos. So link you later. Alright guys, we just reached work and we're about to set up and so forth. People them active in the pool already. Like it's a good Saturday, yeah. People them active, lifeguard them active, and yeah. Hopefully today is gonna be a great day. Yeah, so just gonna set up and just prepare for the rest of the day. Put up the umbrellas and stuff for it.
I got no issues, it's kinda nice. Like running water into a paradise. Got no drama, feels like we arrived. Picture perfect, it don't exist. But when I'm with you, don't have to question it. True devotion.
Alright guys, so I just reached home and guess what happened? After me released the video this morning, I thought I released the video this morning because I scheduled it for 11 o'clock. I always schedule it for 11 o'clock. And you know, one time I just try to check out how the video go. I go on here and say no views. I wonder like, how come no views and now watch my video? Only if you see. Say? Only if you say I think it was set for another day. So instead of it's set for today, it's set for tomorrow. Like what? Like what? Anyway, I'm glad I did release it today, even though it was late. I apologize. It's not my fault. It's technical difficulties, or I was tired when I set the time last night. But I'm glad that you guys still got it today, even though it was late. Yeah. Today was not crazy at all. We had 3 servers. We had section. I made less money than yesterday, but it is fine what I made today. If we can make $100 a day, then we're fine. Even though more to make more than that. In tips. And we had 2 new workers. I like them. So the runner, he run the food and he cleans up. Love that. Him doing thing. Him asks questions and it's really nice. Cause she's 19-year old. I need to stop calling names. That girl, yeah, she's 19-year-old. And she's very nice. She loves to smile and she's very sassy too. She cracked me up. Yeah, and even though today was her first day, she did really good. So that was good. Yeah. So just want to give you an update that today wasn't so bad. It was peaceful, it was calm. Everything was done very well. It wasn't a rush, it wasn't super crazy. We had a band today. Yeah, even the managers left early. So yeah, we took charge, we did everything, and we left on time. Yeah, so today was a good day. Tomorrow I think it's gonna be slow because it's supposed to be raining. Yeah, and we still got our 3 servers. Like, they better send home somebody tomorrow because we need to make at least $100, right? So yeah, tomorrow is gonna be slow because you know when rainfall pool, the pool is not closed, but nobody know if it's swimming in cold water, right? Even though it's heated pool, yeah. So my roommate is in the shower, waiting for her to get out, then I can take a shower and relax. It is currently now 2:10, so that I don't know, say yo, I'm working from 9 a.m. to 9 in the night. So if you don't see me like in the Telegram group, just know say my time just full up. So even me doing this video is a push, and me literally I do it to be consistent because I don't want to drop off a shape. And even though some weeks I may not have anything, yeah, I'm doing this for you guys. So I'll catch you back tomorrow, okay? Good morning, happy Sunday. Today I think is gonna be slow because between today and tomorrow it's supposed to rain. And if you know pool, you know that when it rains, the pool is still open, but like if it's thunder and lightning, obviously it's gonna be closed. Not only that, not many people want to swim when it's raining. You just want to be home in your bed, right? Yeah, me too. So I figure more than this is gonna be slow. There's gonna be 3 person. Hopefully them send home somebody. And it's not gonna be me and my roommate because my roommate is the only bartender for now. So we have to stay there. So and probably them send home the 2 girls because one of them is just picking up shift. As usual, me away from my roommate. just come out here for update you, and I'm watching church, so I'm just pause for this. You know, you get me? I'm gonna see what's gonna happen today, and the reason why I'm gonna really vlog during work is because, you know, so that section just open and the managers are there, and you know, we've been watched, so just leave that alone for now. As you can see, I'm pushing. We're gonna leave on 9:30. You know, we're not going to reach home until 9:30, 10 o'clock. So it's basically the whole day I'll be at work. And it's the reason why I can't even communicate in the Telegram, or I try to respond here. I respond here faster, I guess, because it's just there sitting waiting on me, as opposed to responding to messages. Because really and truly, me really know, me no message nobody, me no text nobody, so my phone is basically dead. So I have no need to take up my phone. You understand? So throughout the day, me barely use my phone unless it's like an emergency. So that's that. So I'm just gonna sit here, continue watching church, and then check in with you later. Alright guys, so it is now 5:31, and let's take a break to go eat. It is raining, like raining, so you know, see the pool empty. Yeah, quite like a couple of people. We make most of the money in the month, that is good. Between yesterday and today, the time, hold on. Yes, I'm just saying that between yesterday and today, the time that I made, the money that I made this morning, kind of good, because the whole day we basically make almost what we make just now. And we know we're probably not getting no more table because it's raining. We supposed to have fireworks, but we're gonna do fireworks when it's rain. So we just take some time and order some. Not really order, but bring them do something for me. A grilled chicken sandwich and fries with honey mustard. So I'm gonna just eat this and just chill for a while. Guys, it seems like they're still gonna do the fireworks. Them over there, so yeah, that seems like they're gonna do it before the rain come back down again. Well, that would be cool. At least I can see it from where I am. The last time when we were in Miami, we have to leave the one side, go all the way to the other side just to see fireworks, which nobody excited because we're there work and we can't work. You understand? So glad them do something even though rain fall. But me I go back in now because I don't want them miss me too much. You get me answer? Because it's not like we get a break, we don't get no break. Which me kinda fine with that. I'm okay with that because every minute counts. If we can stop one quick 5 minutes and grab something, then I'm fine with that. So I go back up now. So guys, fireworks is about to go on, and we are trying our pardon set pack up quick, and the amount of people just are coming, like, where you going? But anyway, we are locked up 8 o'clock. We don't care where go on, because when it is slow and we want people to come, nobody never there, even though we make us change. But now it seems like our 9 o'clock fireworks are 8 something like that, or at 8:30, or one bag of people, like people excited for the fireworks. So let me show you. I can't really show you because we don't want the people them see. See? People them in the pool over there, so. All up there, so. Yeah, hurry up to get out of here. And it is almost 8 o'clock. It is 7:50. So we have how many minutes? We out of here, we don't care. We don't want, and we heard that whenever the fireworks is over, it's like the traffic to get out is wicked. So we don't want that, and we're going to try to avoid that. So that's that. Even though it would be nice to see the fireworks, I'd rather be in our bed because it's kind of cool and wet, and you know when it wet and it rain and fall. Yeah, we don't want to be outside. People then pitch tent, just to see fireworks. I'm excited about the fireworks, so. Yes, we're out. We managed to come minutes to 8 and top, but there's still people. Did you do a final call? I was like, yeah, we did. Don't play with us. We don't want to stay here. We're leaving. I'm gonna see if I can get a view of everything so I can show you what they're preparing for, and the fire truck is here and everything, because I know there's fireworks, there is possible fire. So that's that. So let me show you they're gonna do the fireworks, and there's a fire alert team 2 truck there right there. So not really truck but SUV. It's a short woman there over there, so if you can see her. Yeah, over there, so them are gonna do it. Take this thing. It's a big thing, Big thing, where you're going, my girl. Every day, my girl. Look for them all, then camp out. People them serious about them fireworks. Look over there, you see over middle room. No wonder why she won't go over there.
Give you all of my love and you give it right back. I could fly, I could fall, I know you got my back. Never thought I would find someone to love like that. Like that, like that. I like that. We laugh till we cry to keep our love intact. Take a ride, turn them back so we can save on gas. Never thought I would find someone to love like that. Like that, like that. I like weekends, never leaving our bed. Office till the night ends, baby, we can sleep in. Late until the morning, kiss you on the cheek. And baby, that's a reflex. Oh, I thought the love was just a lie. A way to feel an unrealistic high. We get our fix, but never satisfied. Give you all of my love and you give it right back. I could fly, I could fall, I know you got my back. Never thought I would find someone to love like that. Like that, like that. I like that. We laugh till we.
Are you picking up Linda?
No, I'm waiting for someone. She just went to drop a cash.
Okay, if you want, you can just park right here at this white arrow if you want to like pull up and pull back.
Okay, thank you. I didn't want to be in the way. I didn't want to be in the way. Thank you.
I know there's no spots, so.
Thank you.
Yeah, nobody's. It's not a lot of traffic right now, so you're good.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good night.
Good night. They go around in a circle because, may I say, we don't want to be in the way of anyone. And it's the reason why the man just say, if I pick up somebody, we can stay here for a while because the traffic not that heavy. Because most of the people them inside. The main room busy today. Guys, today is Monday. And it's raining like crazy. And somebody walk out of their shoes. Like what? Tell me what could have caused this? Could have caused this? Anyway, look outside. Raining like crazy. So, that's a good going now because, it's a pool now when rain fall, like a mad people alone would have come a pool and we put on the Air Force. Because other shoes I may have a cloth material, and if just in case I have to walk outside, which we not plan to go during the cold still and in the rain because I'm not sick. But then would I rather come home, and I am working to come home because if it's gonna rain like this all day, it never makes sense. Even though it's $13 per hour, if me not make the tips. Well, it's $13 per hour overall still. So we can catch up on the hours. But standing there not doing nothing in the rain, in the cold, I'd rather be in bed. So I'm going to go the car as long and just continue talking to you. Like, it's literally raining cats and dogs. And if you know about pool, them open still, you know. But if it's raining like this, who would really want a must a crazy? And let me tell you, yesterday it was raining and people still come swim. Some of them take it as an exercise, so I understand that. But you carry out your picnic and all these things in a rain if you go swim. And I say you hit a yard. No sir. Me not do it right now, more I'm staying. But true. That's why I'm going and see what's up. If it is that if I come home, I will come home because in a sense. And the other thing that I don't like, remember, you know, we were called here to stay at the deep end for a permanent job, right? We were only filling time because it wasn't ready as it. So we were working in the mail room, working at Bird Road, the wind all come down harder, working in those areas for a period of time until this place is open. Now the place is open, them call Ishi and the old lady to come serve, right? No, it's not that busy. The first day when we couldn't understand, said it kind of busy and it kind of crazy because it was like a movie night and things was going on. On those days when things are going on, yes, like yesterday was supposed to be fireworks and it's Memorial Weekend, so it's supposed to be busy, but it wasn't busy, right? Yesterday I could have done it myself. One of the girls basically had no tables. The other one basically had about 3 tables. I mean, had the most because I had in the middle and in the middle section kind of have more people, right? But the thing is, you're calling these people that's already have their work. They work in the middle room in the morning and work in the evening. They have option. They can choose if they want to stay here today or go there tomorrow. Me not an option. It's either here or I come back and me yard. You understand? Because we don't really want to go back in the middle room for now. You understand? And it's not like our schedule. Their schedule, they can work in the middle room or in rackets. Like they have other different places while this is my main job. No. Tell me why. Me must allow them now to come take my work after me not have no other option. And them can have option if the time is slow. I'm going to talk to the manager. Because that is not fair. While they can go elsewhere, me can't go elsewhere but me and I don't think that is fair. So I'm going to talk to the manager. Like guys, the rain literally a come down harder. Like literally. No, I used to say when people say fine, it's not better roses because rain and shine you have to come and work. And if you work out a door, you have to go and work. You understand? So bear these things in mind. Especially if you live a distance from work and you're going to ride a bicycle, because not everybody provide a car for you to drive. You get me? No. I am blessed enough that they gave me a car that I can drive to work. But when I do drive to work, I have to walk a little distance, alright? And I have to walk in this rain. But can you imagine if you have to take the bicycle and ride to work and reach on time? Well, that is that. So it's raining cats and dog and I had to go to work. This is the time I miss Jamaica. I will be in my bed listening to the rain on my rooftop. And sleeping or probably just making some comfort meal. Yes. Anyway, I will update you as the day progresses because I don't think it's going to progress any more than this. Other than rain, not people, not money, you know. And if I do get to come off, because as I say, where I come back home, literally. We have 2 days, 3 days to edit, vlogs to edit. And I long for some good food. Someone that wouldn't mind come back and come wash, cook and edit. So let's see what goes. Imagine people, rain a fall, you know, and they must swim in the water. Tell me now, why people mad, you know? Poor lifeguards. Lifeguards don't have to sit down in the rain. Hey, when you know say I love when time place organized, right? And when things done to the T. Like right now, me piss, I'm in a piss. Oh God, can you believe that? The pool closed, so technically the deep end closed. And the manager said him tell the, they call him co-manager, sub-manager, manager, assistant, the assistant to tell us. And nobody tell none of us. And you had 4 of us there. Right? Me and my roommate, 2 other servers. Come in, and the girl come in for the day off, the 2 of them come in for the day off because nobody told us that the place closed. Now tell me now, I could have still in my bed, I could have looked for something to cook, and I come here and talk about more rice and peas and chicken, fried chicken, I could have cook. Right now we come and we sit up, and I say, you know what, I call the manager, because I say, me would have volunteered for go home since it's rainy and it's wet, even though we can work hours, because I'm $13 per hour regardless. I was volunteering to leave, and only to find out that we're not supposed to be there. Rubbish, utter rubbish. But so I go. My roommate decided to stay. He said we can stay until noon. So by then, if nothing no go on, we leave and go home. So I go. Guys, reach home. 1:22. Today was a complete waste. I didn't even have to start my shift like my serving shift. I was just there for hours, and my roommate basically just get $5 tip. But the good thing is that we get paid by hour. So that will come home here, man. I can't manage out the door in there. Remember when someone come home here? So after me, we left work, right? Because them never tell me, say, do money. Alright, so apparently, I don't know if this is in the next clip, but apparently someone was supposed to inform us this morning that we weren't supposed to go to work. Nobody was informed. There was 4 of us, we went to work and we started packing up. So I was just thinking, and I was like, if there's 3 servers, 1 bartender, and it's raining, then obviously I won't be making any tip. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to volunteer to leave because I would rather to come home and get things done. So I called the manager just to ask if I could go home, and he was like, didn't the F&B manager inform you guys that you weren't supposed to come? I was like, no, nobody informed us. We're here packing out. And he was like, no, the pool is closed. So he said, well, at least 1 server should stay and 1 bartender, and then stay and see what happened until 12. So we stayed there and we left around like after 1. Now the man called me. If you go at the Birdwood, which is the blue shirt place, telling us about if we want extra hours because it's supposed to be busy and we can come there. I was like, nope, I'm already out of the frame of mind for work. I'm not going, sorry. So me there, I'm gonna just focus on like cooking and washing and doing the vlogs. So no sir, love money know what to so. Love money but not so. Now I'll go back out on the rain. You're mad? No sir. And there's already 3 servers there, like why you need us? Alright guys, so I just done cook. I never cook no rice and peas, but I cook something close enough to so that you don't know, so me there in my yard, I always cook rice and peas. Sometimes I cook mashed potato, just 1 bag of something. So I cook fried chicken tossed in teriyaki sauce, mashed potato, plantain and shrimp, and I'm going to make some salad because I just want a balanced diet. Yeah, not going to eat all this. I'm going to see if my roommate wants some because she's very picky. Give her some and then pack away the rest. So I'm going to have to cook tomorrow and the other day. You get me, answer? Yeah.
We've come so far since we began.
Can't wait to eat them. Right now, I think I'm going to and just enjoy the video. You understand? I'm just gonna be on that up. Feels good. Good morning, guys. So today is Tuesday. Outside look like it's going to rain. The forecast said it's not going to rain, but it just look very bleaky. I'm now eating my breakfast, which is like a shrimp burrito wrap and some grape juice. So I've already showered. I just need to put on my clothes. I got up early this morning and I edited the vlog, look about breakfast, and yeah, I'm just gonna eat and then get dressed for work. Yes, guys, I think I already introduced the vlog this morning when I was eating breakfast, but just in case if I didn't, today's Tuesday, and yeah, today's Tuesday, and The Little Mermaid is out, and I was wondering, right? I was wondering if I could go and watch the Little Mermaid today in 3D. But I wanted like the real effect where the water is splashing, because I saw someone vlog and it was so realistic and I wanted that experience. But I don't think the movie theater that is close by, which is 6 minutes away, do that. And I was also telling my roommate, yes, my roommate, if you are here, yeah, to come. But she love our bed. Never see a girl can sleep, so she love our bed, man. Yeah, so she said she would have to have a day off in order to go because the movie is at 9:45, and she's saying that if she go to the movie at 9:45, then she will be home after 11, even though we don't fall asleep. Well, I don't fall asleep until about 12 o'clock, and we don't have to wake up so early. But I get what she has said still. Our body don't make up like my own. So today is a rainy day. They said that it was, well, it's not really a rainy day, but it's raining. It's not raining right now, but it was raining. Fearfully shoot me a chat. But we call the manager because we said, listen to me. I'm not doing it again. If we not go in at work, I'm not going to work. Quite frankly, we don't mind staying at home. Like, we get so comfortable staying home. Like, what we do, we not gonna get paid, but we can't find a rich man. No, man. If I find a rich man, because I like the soft life now. This life, now cut it out. Even though they work that hard. Anyway, yeah, I call him and him said it's supposed to start raining around 10 o'clock. So it is business as usual. So we're going in. Even though the place wet, I'm gonna feel we're gonna get a lot of people. And if we have another server, me will volunteer for leave. Like, honestly, even though we left yesterday, but think about it. I'm scheduled for 7 days, and the real working world is supposed to work 5 days. So technically, I not really miss nothing, but just I miss up on the overtime. You get me? I'm missing the overtime. So that is that. And you know, me I rush come home find it because it's not like something I have nothing to do. Because me already watched already. The video editor already. Only thing no editor, just this for me I'm doing right now. It edit already. Yeah. But let's see. As usual, waiting for my roommate. She's inside. And I am just out here. Because we just always just take this time to just reflect and focus on other things like that, making calls to my mom, talking to God or something like that. So I like a quiet time sometimes, you understand? So I hope she don't feel like me out here chatter like they're putting on a chatter, because no. Anyway, I'll catch you later on and update you as the day go by, because my weather forecast said it's gonna rain all day. His one said until 10 o'clock, so let's see. Because if I waste my time, You guys remember this? Ooh, you're not in there. You guys remember this? Not even me no own one. And my co-worker from what, Chile? Huh? Where you from? America. From America have one of this. Look at this. This is what, 30 years ago? Older than me. Well, 30 odd years. Big up your nice clean self. 1690.
I don't care about the scene, I don't care about the location. All that matters not to me, that you wherever I go, baby. I just need you by my side. Yeah.
Hey guys, so it is a new day, and I never remember if I come. Not even remember, I just never in the mood to come talk about yesterday. But I did video in the morning. But I gotta just sum up everything right now. Plus, we need to have a vent talk. TED talk, vent talk. Yeah, because this is some stuff that happen and I really don't like it. Like, I don't understand. Anyway, yesterday I was like on the brink of breaking down. Not really break down as in balling, but break it down as in losing it. Because I don't know if it's a breakdown, I should just lose it, right? It's dumb. Yeah, because the place that I am at, the place nice, everything is nice and so forth. But I feel like it's set out for H2B workers. It's not set out for people who have responsibilities. You understand, who want to make money like that. We feel like it's for like college students, like J1s and them something there. Because, like, based on what I'm seeing, it don't make no sense. It don't make any sense because yesterday, remember I'm at the pool now, and if you know about serving, you know about restaurant, right? I never expect say I was supposed to be like a pool server. I not expect that. I not expect say yo, if you walk down customer and ask them if they want this or I force them to buy this, like that is not me. That is not me. That is why I never do when I like to do promotion, when I like to do door-to-door things, like that is just not to me. You get me? So like it just annoying. Yesterday I literally took no tables because for one, it's a club thing. If me didn't know it's the club, I wouldn't come here. So because the thing is they never put it on them things say it's a club. You understand? Me always try to stay away from clubs because when it comes on to clubs, people don't tip. Why? Because they pay money to the establishment and then feel like the amount of money them pay, them no need to pay no more. So when they come and they buy a food, they see them probably tip like a $1, even though they bill $100. That's not even 1%, well, 1%. But you get me I say? So I always try to stay away from the club. Not only that, you have some establishment will tell you say, yo, it's not a tip position. Even though this is a tip position, you cannot force them to tip because they might pay this lump sum of money every month or yearly. So them not gonna want to tip. As I said, the place nice and everything, but to make money, it's a fit pitney, literally. J1 I will encourage to come here because you don't need a second job. You can come here and work hours upon hours upon hours. You understand? And I'm not cut out to work hard anymore. Me now work so hard. When me just come up, when I was at J1 I worked hard. Like now it's time to work smart and can manage. And another thing. You see, if you have a friend and they're telling you what you want to hear, they're not your friend. They are not your friend. Because any friend that you have that is telling you the truth and not they're on your side just because they're your friend, you know, and you don't, you find a problem with that, you need to re-evaluate yourself. Because me not understand if you are wrong and you want the person to stay on your side and pick up for you, and when them tell you the truth, you're upset. Something wrong with that, man. Something wrong with you. I am very blunt. And me not stand up for nobody. Me not stand up for nobody. If you're wrong, you're wrong. And I want people to tell me something wrong, even though it may feel away. And me not go be a hypocrite until I say, yeah man, the girl should have this and the girl should have that, or knowing that are you wrong. Me can't do it. Me cannot do it. So if you have a friend that I tell you the truth and it hurt, that is your real friend. If them always agree with you, they're not your friend. You need to evaluate that friendship. I'm not telling a lie. Alright, so something happened yesterday where someone, matter of fact, 2 person messaged me telling me to talk to this person, and they send me screenshot all the person I react and all them something here, and I was like, you know what, me and this person don't talk anymore, so I don't really care. You get me? So I don't care. And the reason why me and this person don't talk is because I told her something what she need to hear. You get me? I say, and them fly off into them feelings. So not only that, I didn't purposely not talk to the person. You understand? That same week I was so busy, like me I work in the morning and then me I go straight at Birdwood. You guys would have see that. Me I go straight at the next work and just work. Me not even have time for the phone. You get me? I say these little time when me have when me come slung in the car and talk, and probably when me I walk. If you realize when me walk or when me in the car, me I make videos. You get me? I say, and me not time for the phone like that for text and them. And for real, me not really always text. If I don't group, me not text people like that. You get me? I say me always just make a call or so. And I was busy, and me realized that the person no message me or anything throughout the week. I mean, I say, okay, the person in their feelings. And I say, you know what, me not message the person because me don't think me lose nothing. I don't lose anything. You understand? Because if I am being a friend and telling you what is right, and you don't want that, you want me to stick by you and pick up for you and class people for you and be a hypocrite, we cannot do that. We cannot do that. So that is that. So it's weird. It's weird. But people will always be people. And me always tell myself, say, yo, me don't really have no close friend where me and him. Me have some group of friends at Jamaica. It's 5 of us, and we tell them stuff and so forth. But even that certain day happened like years ago. But me and them still talk. We still good and whatever. But from that, it's like me try to keep myself to myself. You get me? I say me don't have this friend when me say I'm my best friend. And so like how people have been best friend. No, me don't have that, and I'm okay with that, you know. But life, I tell you. So I am just here today waiting on my roommate as always. Yeah, I get up early, showered, did at breakfast. I make some ginger tea and garlic tea because I feel like my body needs it, you know. So me have some tea right here, so we're gonna go sip on. And yeah, today I didn't make any tip yesterday because my purpose never do nothing. Today I'm gonna try, even though I'm just over it. Like we not fight no more. We can't bother. We honestly can't bother. And I'm so glad that me not have like people that depend on me like that for money. You get me? I say, me glad say yo, whatever me make I feel like pay rent and look out, me not have this drastic bill. You know, if you understand me, I'm so glad because probably would have stressed out. But while I'm here, I feel like I'm gonna go and look at transfer. The place is very nice. The people them nice. But the money we want, I'm not here, so. You get me? I can work 7 days a week. I don't want that. I want my day off. I don't want to work and tired up my body. I'm not working hard. When I go work 10 o'clock, I don't come home till 8, 9, 10 o'clock. I don't want them kind of work there. Hey, when me I do serving there, you know, 5 hours more work sometime and I make a $600, you know. No, sir. This is not it. If me didn't work, I would say, yes, me know say housekeeping and this is what me I settle for, me get that. But serving, we not settle for them things like that, brother. And summer is the time to go hard, and I feel like I can go hard. I say, you get me? I say, I'm in the fuss. And right now, as I say, I'd rather go back to Angry Bird, to backside. Because at least it is stressing because we wake up early in the morning and sometimes we wake up, oh God, man, it's like, oh no, I wake up half on my own and the alarm have to wake me up and I just feel nice. When we wake up 6 o'clock, we wake up 5 o'clock, matter of fact. 5 o'clock. That time my roommate wake up before me because she wake up like 5:45. We beat before me. And when she done beat me, I jump in the bathroom. And it was so stressing. And then I go work. Only if you have fight for tables, but at least we used to make $100 tip, you understand? And then when I go Birdwood, if I go Birdwood, we make an extra $100, so that's $200. And like on a really good weekend, I can make close to $300. You get me, I say? But the thing is, the hours never there. So it's like a give and take thing because yesterday the hours there, I think it's $13 per hour. So basically that's $100 on top of your tip. But it still don't come close to Jesus, me just a rant, me know. Alright, 15 minutes right ranting, we need to stop. Because we have a couple more days to go. Tomorrow PD, and I'm supposed to get the money with them owe me. But they never pay me for the first time. And why? Guess what? Later. But just want to understand my pain. Because when the time I come over here, it's not going to be all good and dandy. And people make it seem like say over here all good and it's all bad. No. It's in between. Same thing like when you got there Jamaica. Problem there everywhere and good there everywhere. You get what I say? Yeah. So later. Good morning, guys. So today is Thursday. And I wake up late. Not late no, but I wake up later than my usual time. Because I normally wake up like around 7, shower, look about breakfast, get ready, and then in the car waiting for 9:30. But I come in the car early still because normally I come in the car at 9 o'clock. But you can know, say, yo, we hooks up breakfast early. We actually carry it with me, do 2 hot dogs because, and my plan today, I'm not going to eat anything there because realize I drink a lot of juice and I pay sugary product and I don't need that, you know. I am not young. Yeah, I need to take care of my body and I pay fatty food. And then the salad, I like eat salad from restaurant, especially when I know how them keep it. And yes, I know it's a restaurant, but I know them keep it. Some people don't wash them salad and me like to look after my salad. So I carry hot dog. Hopefully that can keep me for the whole 11 hours. Let's see. My roommate actually showered before me. She was like, what happened? Making a wake up yet. I woke up 5 o'clock and then I went on ADP and I couldn't fall back asleep. So I guess that was it. And then when I do fall back asleep, I needed like a 2-hour reset. So that's why. So we want to go HR now because I need to inquire about my pay. It's like every week, every fortnight something. They pay me a lot of money, yes, but I have so much overtime, different rate, and I only 2 rates. Like, you need to explain these overtime rates. It's either you pay me this X amount or you pay me. It's like, you know, anytime somebody I try for rob you, I'm not saying they rob you, but I tell you how it look because I don't really understand it. When somebody I rob you, I never pay you 6 different overtime rates just because they don't want to pay the rightful overtime rate, but because they want you to see the overtime on your pay stub. Yeah, that's how it look. And we need to inquire about it. We need to know why we have 5 different overtime rates. That don't make sense. If we have 2 rates, then we're supposed to have 2 overtime rates. You get what I say? So where the other 3 come from? So that is that. Yeah. If my belly hurt me today, I just feel like nobody want to come to work. And then I know say them are gonna have another server Yesterday they didn't come out. Oh, you see why we need the other server? You see why we need? If I did every year, see, I would answer them, because it's not that we needed another server, we needed a runner. Because yesterday it was just me and my roommate, right? And the pool. And one thing that I know about pool, people come and stay for 3 hours. It's not like in a restaurant, them come and them stay for half an hour and them leave. And I said, I get a next table. No. So when the manager come, it seems like the pool is busy, but it's not busy, because you have those who are taking lessons, and when they might take lessons, them no want no food. Not only that, you have people that are from in the morning. You get me saying? We barely make $100, even though I just sweet one. Like, that's don't make $100. I make $100 at all. So I go. But just like me literally want to see my next period. That's what me I wait for. My next period, more to see what it's like, because me know it more than my period I get in Miami. But me do want to go hard, you know. Me do want to get dragged down like $6,000 a month or something like that, or more. More. But say go, yeah, man. Say go. The roommate said, if you don't look at the tip, look at the hours. The fact that we're getting paid by hour. If we just look at it and just call the tip a bonus. And I guess that's what I should do. Because if I focus on the tip, that will stress me out. Remind me not to go to another club. I know that I shouldn't go to a club. But remind me to ask the question in the interview, is it a club? Because I ain't going to no more clubs. Anyway, I'll catch you back later on in the day if I do. Tomorrow is Friday, the last day of the vlog. So hopefully I can edit this part tonight, finish edit up yesterday because I started, and then release it, and then I need to check the date, Vanessa, check the date. Okay, alright, so later. Guys, I am so annoyed, like I'm literally annoyed, like I just want to pack up and leave, like honestly. Why? Probably camera, I'm stressed out. Can you imagine, every morning we get up and we open and we close, right? And yeah, some set of people will come in the makeshift and not even just left side, the side work. You know what? I'll talk to you tomorrow. But I'm just annoyed. Hey guys, today is Friday, the last day of the vlog. I don't know, like every Friday I feel relieved, like so relieved. But it's like me start the next vlog tomorrow. But me still feel relieved. We're in one today. And you know, say the work starts again tomorrow. Like, this is so weird, right? Anyway, 2 days I've been like out of it. Like yesterday, even worse yesterday. I just felt like, you know, I was just gonna go to HR, I'm gonna cuss. Not really cuss them as in cuss them, you know, but just start to tell them my mind and say, yo, I'm over this and I'm gonna look at transfer. And it's good to have good people around you. Hey, me just realize this. Imagine 1, 2, 3, 4 Jeep park in front of me. Look, 4 Jeep park in front of me. Different type of Jeeps, like them do it on purpose. Anyway, yeah. So about 2 weeks ago, my roommate wanted to leave, and it's like I encourage her to stay. And then it's like yesterday, me tell her, I say, yo, me I look transfer, me I look transfer for me, and you know. And it's like she encouraged me, you know. So it's good to have people that can balance you out, because it's funny, you know, because she was the negative one and I was the positive one. Now the role switch. Really, if you understand what I say. So like I was out of it yesterday and I slept on it, and me feel better today, and I'm just gonna go with the positive vibes. Even though, you know what, I'm not even gonna say even though, me I hope for positive vibes today. So I'm not going to jinx the day. Yeah. So like me literally tell myself, so I'm gonna go HR this morning. I'm just gonna talk by everybody, even down to the managers them, because I feel like them are manage good. You understand? And you know what, I'm just gonna just leave it alone. I'm just going to leave it alone. And as it relates to the tip, my roommate told me say, don't look upon it as your working tip. Look at it as your working hours, because the hours is not so bad, right? Because we get $13, I think, plus tips. Now, if we can work 7 days a week, 11 hours a day, that's basically like 72 hours, I think. Yeah, so we get overtime and then pay overtime, and then they care about the overtime. Like, we literally can work overtime. So when we check it up, like for like the 2 weeks in pay, we can probably get over $2,000, right? At the gross. Yeah, we get gross or net. Where you go? Gross are the one before, right? And the net are the one after. No, net are the one before and the gross are the one after. So the one before me attack, which is the net. Yeah, so we can get $2,000 over. And then she said I should just look at the tip as a bonus. So if me get tip, it's just a bonus. And the tip not so heavy, but if me can get like a $500 a week, or maybe $300, $400, that is the additional money. So me I make $2,000, plus if me get $1,000 or $500 for the 2 weeks, then that would be $2,800, and then that can pay my rent, and it can also pay the taxes, and I still have a $2,000 in my account. So yeah, something like that. That is how I check it up. Now this is my estimate. I'm not really sure say that, so I'm just thinking on that behalf. So I'm just gonna just forget about the whole fighting for this, fighting for that, and focus on just working, doing my hours, and come home. And when I accumulate enough money that me feel me alright, then I'm gonna start take my day off, because me now come my body, as I said to you yesterday. So I am on a positive mood today, and I am so happy that I edited all of the video up until yesterday. So only thing that I need to edit is this clip and any clip that's gonna come after. Yeah, so I'm well on my way. So that is that. And you know what, I wanted to talk about so much things, and I talk about so much thing in my previous clips, and I cannot delete them. I cannot delete my frustration, because you know at the end of the day, I don't want anybody use what I say against me. You get what I say? And sometimes you have to know when you're oversharing. So that is that. Maybe when we leave, we can talk deeper on that. But as I said, the company no bad. The company no bad. It's just like few people within the company. We don't sleep. Like, honestly. And because I leave because they're there before me. But we just feel like them are pies in the mind of other people. Because this person was here a long time, and then this new girl came yesterday, and the person just started praising the person. Like, I tell the person things we shouldn't do. Like, or if you teach them bad, like, I understand say you do this and you're unruly, do you unruly, but don't teach other people to follow you unruly. Teach them the right thing, even if you do the wrong thing. You get what I say? Because after a while, you can't go tame the person, because that's what she was taught. So that is just what I'm saying. So if you have somebody that poison people, get rid of them. Get rid of them, like, literally. That's what I have to say. But yeah, so today is a new day, and the only thing that I actually eat is the fact that I work outside and the sun is hot, and I haven't got any sunscreen. So I get my vitamin D in. Not that I was lacking any anyway. So that is that. So I catch you on later on in the day. See what's gonna go up today, if anything change. And yeah, yesterday when I said I was so annoyed, I literally called one of the managers and say, yo, if this person is working today, I'm not working tomorrow. Yesterday when I was annoyed, I called the manager, one of the manager, And I said, if this person's working tomorrow, I'm not working tomorrow. And roommate said to me, say, you can't make, because of them, lose out power where you want, like the money and so forth. I mean, say, no, I'm going to take heed. Now I make them stop me. Because all I go on, you know, God is always for me. And my roommate say it could be a test. So, you know what? I'm going to listen. It is my test and I'm going to pass it. Anyway, I feel like me I get sick, but I'm not sick. You know, I mean, I cough for them something about it's like only for mucus, and then as you can hear, but I catch on it raw. Okay, guys. Like, not even know where to start, like, honestly. As I say, the place not bad, but are the people them. One specific manager, like, it's full of crap. Like, she's just so two-faced. Like, she in the meeting and she has say XYZ, and then she go change it up and say ABC. Like, she didn't realize, say, yo, she think herself. Just dumb. Just, like, no, sir. This is not it. Like, this is not what we sign up for. And I need to find out where in the resort I'm supposed to work, where them actually hire me for. Because nobody now come fling me around and fling me go. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. But I'm go back at me, like, honestly. And try to come back up winter for one different company. Or try look at a transfer. Because apparently somebody quit because of me. Not only me, but us. Because we make her feel uncomfortable. And after me there, I try to teach the girl the right thing, you know. I try to teach the girl the right thing. The girl have the audacity to say we make her uncomfortable. And then because of that, they want to move me, go back in at the place where me never want to go. Me no want to go. Like, this don't make no sense. Honestly, don't make no sense. Don't make no damn sense. But I'm not going to speak much about it. I'm not going to speak much about it, but later on, probably when we leave, yeah, we leave it at that. But guys, the struggle is real. Literally. I tell myself, I'm going to talk to HR and find out which part of the day in the company. Guys, today was a day. But maybe in the next vlog I'll talk about it. Right now my head is hurting me and I need to edit this clip so I can get it out to you guys tomorrow. So I'm just gonna end it right here. So if you reach this far in the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, turn on your post notification, and tell a friend to tell another friend, and stay tuned for the other vlog. Bye.